Hello, my name is Adam Purvis and I'd like to welcome all of you to GRHD121-Introduction to Digital Illustration. Before I get into the course, I'd like to tell you a little bit about myself. I live in Broomfield, Colorado right now with my family, my wife Becky, and my two children, Atticus and Holden. We have two dogs, Sunday, who you can kind of see sitting right back behind me, and Milo, who you might hear occasionally barking in the background because I can't get him to stop. I work for, I've been in the, actually in the design industry for about 15 years now. I currently work for a magazine called Horse and Rider, which I art direct. I've been the art director for Horse and Rider for almost 9 years. I've also been teaching for Westwood Online for nearly 9 years. Most of my experience is in print, but I also do an editorial, but I also do quite a bit of marketing, some web work. Right now our company's venturing into some app stuff that I'm helping with, not the actual app design, but some of the marketing for that. But that's about it about me. As far as the class goes, this class is going to give you a good introduction to Adobe Illustrator Creative Cloud. You'll work through the classroom and a book over the course of the term. And once you've completed all the lessons, you'll have a very good basic understanding of the entire program. You'll also do 2 projects, one of which is a logo design, which you'll do first, and then the other is a digital illustration with a communication component. You put all that stuff together and you should have a pretty good understanding of how digital illustration works and the types of things you can do with a vector art program like Illustrator, whether it be, you know, a type-based logo design or a full-blown, you know, multi-layer complex illustration. One thing I want to stress is the importance of the discussion and the critique in this class. If you've had design classes, I know for all the design classes you have, every week you have a discussion and most weeks you'll have a critique section. That's the primary way that we communicate to one another is, you know, discussing the question, the subject of the week, and looking at your classmates' projects and discussing what you think works and what doesn't work. It's just so important for you to get into these things early in the week and really take part in them. This class goes, you know, I can give you as much feedback as I possibly can, but a lot of what you're doing in this class depends on what you contribute to one another. And you'll get a lot more out of this class if you choose to get in there and participate a lot and not just do the bare minimum to try to get by. In terms of workload, since we start on a Wednesday this week, or this term, which we typically start on, your week 1 work won't be due until the end of the second week, which is October 26th. In October 26th, Sunday, October 26th, your week 1 and week 2 assignments will actually be due. The only thing you have due by this coming Sunday, which is October 19th, is your introduction. So make sure you get in there and complete that. And again, you don't want to wait till the last minute to try to do 2 weeks worth of work. So I would get in there and try to get working on your assignments really as soon as you can. This really is a fun program. You know, I love graphic design. I wouldn't be doing it if I didn't love it. It's, you know, my favorite thing about my job is when I get to stop doing all the administrative work and I just get to sit down and design. And in this class you really get to focus, as with all the other design courses, you really get to focus on design. So I hope you really enjoy the course. I am here. You can reach me by phone, by email. I have my office hours every Tuesday at 6:30 Mountain Time, 6:30 p.m. Mountain Time, where I'm online, that you can get in there, and if you have questions for me, I can help you with that. So, you know, I'm here for you. We just need to all work together to have a good term, and hopefully everyone will have a lot of fun. All right, talk to you soon.